for the information gathered from another source. Note-taking usually used in oral discussion, meeting, and giving lecture. When you are writing down notes, don't write down everything. Don't write everything that you hear or read. You get only the gist. Or yes, the most important information. Or the keyword for that certain topic. Writing notes allows you to go back and remember important ideas over time. It is a developmental process that builds you active and alert during class. When you are taking down notes, try to write the date each day that you are taking down notes. So that you will not
Shock mo. Gulat.
hindi kayo maguguluhan.
Confused.
You will not be confused. After taking notes, it is important to you to read and review the information on a regular basis. The continuation of my report is recorded by now.
Bye. Bye. Bye.